Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can delete your account on Microsoft Copilot permanently and for good really quickly. So let's get started right away. Head over to Microsoft Copilot here in the URL bar in the top left corner. Make sure that you're logged in with your account here in the top right corner, for example, with your Microsoft or your Google account. Now, if you'd like to remove your account here in Copilot, simply click on your profile icon here, and from the drop-down menu, simply click on your user profile there. And after that, you either may change, for example, your username here, or get into or access the privacy settings, or if you'd like to delete your account, simply click on delete account here and confirm by clicking on that button there. And you may also add some feedback if you like, but that's optional. You don't need to do this. So you can do that by clicking on delete Copilot here to remove and to get rid of your account once and for good. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.